Threads, the new app by Instagram, is live. I've been on the platform for about an hour and I have a lot to share with you. Opportunities, predictions, and what you should know now. And I have a question. Is this the end of Twitter? Now let's start at the very beginning. What I love about Threads so far is that the seamless integration with Instagram. You can transfer your following here, and if you have a blue tick, it's also transferred. You can share your thread from Threads to your IG feed or stories. The test count is 500. That's a lot of words to put out there compared to Twitter. Alright, so let me show you how to make use of these threads on an Instagram app. Now just go on Play Store. You can also search on App Store, but I'm using an Android phone right now, so just search for Threads, an Instagram app, then click on it, then go to click on open. Then the next thing you see here is login with Instagram. Now this is my account here, my Instagram account, so let me just show you guys so that you see. This is Instagram, and you can see this is my account. This is my account, so this is my account here on Instagram. And what you're just gonna do right now is just click on this icon. I want to log in. Now that's one of the beauty of this. It gives you the advantage of connecting your Instagram account to it, so you don't need to build from scratch. So right now I've logged in, right? So I've logged in before. So what you need to do right now is you can also log in. Try to log in. When you log in, you're going to receive a verification that will be sent either to your email or your phone number. You understand? So once you put it in, then you just once you get it, just impute it and you get access to your account here. So they are going to ask you to update this stuff here, your bio, which I've done that already. And you can also follow me. Just click on just follow me, just click on follow me. So you can see I'm already using this platform and I just started like an hour ago. I've gotten 26 followers. Now one thing that you can do with this platform is that why I advise you to get started on it right now is because you can use this for organic growth. You understand? Now this will favor a lot of people that are first time users. You understand, that are just joining the bandwagon immediately, because one of the things that will happen is that you can easily go viral. You can also engage with lots of you can engage with lots of people here, right? So now, for example, now I want to engage with Niger brand chick, so let's just search for Niger brand chick. Now you can see that she has grown massively, because the advantage which I said earlier is that it gives you that connectivity between your Instagram account and this. So you can see that she has over 10.3 thousand followers. And now look at this, is it now. So if you come here and start engaging with our tweets and start engaging with people that like our tweets, these are lots of people that start engaging their comments and their replies, you are going to begin to gain visibility, right? So that's what I advise you to do. Look for top influencers and start engaging their tweets or their threads rather. You understand? So that you can grow massively. You can begin to generate. So if you want to just write a thread, just click on this icon and write a thread. You understand? So just write something here, then click on post and it's gonna go. So yeah, that's it. Like I stated earlier, I told you some of the advantages of using threads on Instagram. So I hope this helps and you can take advantage of it to start building an audience here, right? So the perfect way of building of using threads, just the same way like Twitter. Just know how to write threads. You understand? So know how to write threads, and you're going to get traffic. You understand? So just know how to write threads. It's not difficult. Understand? So, and you can also use single tweets that will go viral. You understand? And once you can begin to get like you can begin to get engagements like this, right? And that's just it. So the essence of this is just to keep trying things out, and you're gonna get the required result in it. So I hope you launch out into this and get started with it, so that you can start making generating massive traffic and make lots of money in your business. Thank you.